So this monthly challenge is here, and yeah, there's make a text-based sandwich making simulator, and an example for an easy thing the game would be is the game asks what bread you want, the game asks what toppings you to put on, you to put what, and the game reads back to order. So pretty easy, and I will do that and then advance it from there. This will be a really fun project. I'm really liking the ideas, so yeah. I'm looking forward to make a really cool sandwich making game, text based. I don't know if I will make UI or something, or if I just make a console type of terminal thing. I don't know. But for this first version, I will use the terminal only. So yeah, see you when I'm finished with the terminal version. So I'm here in my monthly project and like make something Monday project, and we can see I have the game already here. So what we have is like basically a title, which is just a print statement, pretty easy, and it's one def. It's really easy. And then we have red options. You can select, so it tells you the bread options, and after that, um, while bread's not in bread options, it tells you what bread do you want. And if the bread is not in there, it says sorry, then what bread you choose is not available. Please choose one of the other options. And so you can't just use a random ass bread, for example. You have to choose one of these up here. Then the same for the toppings. We have these toppings right here. They are working perfectly fine, just as the bread. Same thing. But here we have multiple toppings you can choose. If you select, for example, turkey and ham and onion, you have to separate them for comma, and then you're done. This works perfectly fine. In here, we also have this function, a function if statement, which basically prints this message if there's a topping in there which is not up here. Here you can see it. So I can select the bread. For example, if I select this, it says it's not available. And then if I do this, it says you have it, And then where I can select the toppings. And also if I select this and cheese, for example, then it tells me, yeah, okay, it skips that and just puts cheese in here, which is a cool thing. So yeah, that's my sandwich. It works. So yeah, see you when I'm done with that. So I'm back with an update. Yeah, you could say it's overscoped. That's why I called it Overscoped Sandwich Simulator now. It has music. I will show you. Yeah, let's just I will add a tutorial and story. Maybe. And then we'll have a start new day where you have to take on some challenges, I could say. Yeah, you just have to take the orders and make the sandwiches the customers like. And also you have to yeah, these are sandwiches, by the way. You can fight around with the government because they tell you don't sell your sandwiches on Earth, and then you have to fly to moon and stuff. Oh man, I overscoped this way too much. I have 30 days. so no problem. Yeah, I don't know. I want to finish it in 1 week.
I want to finish it in 1 week.
Yeah. Yeah, so I will work on it. I will show you the code later, I think, when I'm finished with the actual game or part of the game. Start new day, I probably will change that because I will make a load game in here because we will have save games actually. I want to add save games. This is so overscoped. Yeah, whatever. It took me, I don't know, 2.5 hours probably to make all of this. And you see, nothing works yet. So the only thing that works is the quit button that I may use in real life because I don't want to do this anymore. Then I will get back to work and finish this project because this video has to come out next Monday because I have one video finished, but this video is a video that I can only upload if someone else uploads his video because it's a video that is based on another project that the person that made this project made a video about and wanted to upload their video first before I can upload my whatever. You know what I mean? So that's why I need to finish this video before next Monday. And it's Monday, so I have 1 week. Chill, okay? Chill. Don't expect too much. Okay, so it's next day and I worked on it a bit. We have music, as you can hear. And yeah, this is still bugged. I have to change that, but it's okay for now. Let's start a game. In here we have the save slots. I don't know if I showed you already. I probably didn't. We can delete them and create new ones in three different difficulty levels. I don't know if I will implement any of these or if they are just like I played overscoped and you didn't. I don't know if I will actually add them, but they're in here and they're working. So yeah, let's give it a name. I don't know, you can name it like whatever you want. I will just, and then you go here. And then we have the ingredients that will come in from this side. Then you can build your huge sandwich here and can put it there, but this would not be a text-based sim. So constantly down here we will have a text box, okay? And then there will be letters that come from the government, for example, that tells you to not sell your sandwiches where you sell them actually right now. So you have to move to another place and stuff. So that's the basic concept. So I will add the text box down here, which shows everything and where you have to take decisions, which are time-based. Yeah, I don't know if this is a text simulator. I don't know. Or text-based simulator, because I don't know how to create text sims, because a text-based game is basically just a game with heavy text, like chunks you have to use. Like the main story gets told by text and all of that. So that's basically it. I will write a little storyline for it and fix some stuff, and then we see what I did in a few hours probably, or I don't know. So we will have multiple endings. I won't spoil all of them, you know, but you can, if you want, you can stop the video and then look for yourself, or you just play the game when it's out. So that's what we will have to add. And yeah, quickly upload that to the GitHub repository, so I don't change everything and then forget I changed something and then it box away and I deleted it by accident or something. So yeah, that's what I will do now. So you see part of the video when I'm finished with adding the first location, which will be the garden, and the tutorial and all of that, the first part. So yeah, see you. As you can see, I'm not in the game and I'm not in Visual Studio Code, and it's several days later. I worked on the game and it looks pretty good so far, but I won't be able to finish it until Monday, which is in basically 2 days. So yeah. Here's the reason, by the way, why I was away for a few days. I think it's pretty clear that I had a lot of fun, but now I have to work, and it's great. I'm happy to be back and make new projects and work on my old projects. So yeah, that's the first part of the series actually. So I will make multiple videos, probably at least one, another one, which will come next or not next week, I don't know, but somewhere this month. And I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.